Look at those pretty clouds. Look at that. Now that is some very nice contrast over there. Welcome back everybody, welcome back to another episode. Today we are gonna go and ride on a beautifully brand new asphalted road. Brand new tarmac, very nice. But it's in the middle of a forest. There's only dirt roads around it. This one is in the middle of a forest. It's about 1 kilometer long. It really doesn't have any reason to exist, to be asphalted, but it is. So let's go find it and ride around it. That is a primary school. That is the primary school of this specific little town that we stopped at. Small town is not very far away from the city that I live in. It's not a small city, but it's not a big city. But this is what the school looks like. So in the morning, all the little children from this town come to this school, and as you can see, they have very good conditions here. Probably aircon as well, and we've stopped because I want to show you guys the latest in waste collection technology. Romania has received it as well. It's part of the EU. There we go, you see? That's what it looks like. This is civilization. The old system used to work as well. I don't see any need to change it, but hey, EU, huh? Old system I can show you right over there. I think it was a much better system because you just throw all your rubbish over there and the water takes it away and you don't have to worry about it ever again. This one people have to come and pick them up, and there's a lot of logistics. Why change? Why change? See, that's where it goes. You never see it again. Anyway. Guess what we found again? No, it's not a place of worship. This is a hunter's lodge. All the hunters used to gather here and they used to have their hunter parties where they would bring their hunter woman and party all night long in the forest, only for hunters. But now, evil ants. I think these are the ones that, if they bite you, you will feel it. You don't want to get bitten by those. Kosti was here, and I don't know who Kosti loves, but he was here. Guess what we found in the middle of the forest? I'm gonna give you one guess, but you're not gonna get it right. Yes, ready? It's another place of worship. Very important, as I said, in Romanian culture. Let's go see what's inside. Here we have the cross again. Very important. This one does not have the skull at the bottom, but seems to be much older. Then we have a candle place. And the best part is that we can see everyone that's been here, and that Flori loves Luca. Mitruț was also here, and somebody was here in 1998. So now we can add another place of worship to our list. I think we're gonna see all of them in Romania. Let's give it a 6 out of 10 for how nice it is. Alright, it's starting to rain now, so that's why I got all kitted up with my rain gear. But I wanted to stop and show you something that I believe we have one up on Americans here. We have actually got patterns on our road, a brand new asphalted road, and after they finished laying down the asphalt, they started to cut it up and make these patterns. You see them? This is mostly for look, and I've never seen that in any other videos from America. And you can see that they're everywhere. Every 50-60 meters there's another one. I want to thank the city hall people, whoever decided this was a good idea. It is a good idea, so that we don't get bored while we're driving. This is very nice, thank you. And here we have another tradition in action. See all those crosses over there? Those are the crosses of the people that were living here and they passed away. And to remind you every day of that fact, and you know, of the grief that you went through, put some crosses outside, and every day when you come home or when you leave, you can get reminded of how sad you were. Very good. Alright, let's take an adventure break here on the steps of this beautiful family home that's under construction, and let's talk about why that... Oh no, this is a church, it's not a family home. I wasn't expecting this, since it hasn't been more than 3 minutes since we've seen a church. So the only reason why that road is tarred in the middle of nowhere is because of illegal logging. Let's take a look at these guys over here. They're cutting wood. This is not a sanctioned operation. This is not a company. These are just people that live around here. They cut the wood themselves and they sell it to the big company, lumber yards. And if this road wasn't tarred, it would be really difficult for them in the winter time, or when it's muddy, or when it's raining, for them to cut wood. So that is the only reason why this road is tarred. But it is a very nice road to ride on. except for now because there's a lot of sand on it. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, thank you very much. Hit that like button. If you didn't, hit the dislike button. Please subscribe as well, and we'll see you on the next one.